Hi guys, Omar here with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now widgets are something that usually we all should be using but we don't use enough.
Before I forget, subscribe and also hit the bell icon to be notified of any new videos that I post.
So essentially you go into your home screen, you hold down and it comes up with this menu here where you can change wallpaper, themes, widgets, and you can go into the home screen settings. So if you go into widgets, it's essentially an extension of the apps that you already have. It gives you some additional functionality. For example, I've got one where I can see the amount of subscribers I have on the channel. So if anybody is watching that hasn't subscribed, do subscribe. I'm trying to get to 10,000. So basically these widgets are essentially an extension. You've got one here where you can take a photo, so you can quickly press the button, it takes a photo wherever you are. And the more apps that you have, the more widgets that you may have. It's not always a guarantee that these widgets will be there for every app, but most apps definitely. And one of the good things is that you can go into the lock screen settings. So we'll go into lock screen here, and they're called face widgets on the lock screen. So if you go into lock screen there, and then we go into face widgets. Now these are a bit limited in terms of functionality. So you've got one for music, one for your schedule, the next alarm, the weather, Bixby routines, which I'll do a video in a week or two on. And essentially you can reorder, and what happens here is, for example, if I play some music is playing at the moment, if I was to have my phone off, I can then switch my music, go over to a different track, pause it. I can't do much more than that. Obviously you've got volume buttons on the side which would always work, but you can pause it, you can go back and forth. If I swipe over, then that's the schedule, which there's no events. This is the next alarm, this is the weather, and then that you got the time and date as normal, and then it goes back to how it was before. So that was just a quick look at widgets and face widgets on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.